Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I'm going to talk about swimming here on top of your spine corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So swimming is part of a kind of a series of exercises, even though these exercises don't normally go together on the mat. They're not like a series anywhere else. They are a nice little series here. You can transition from one to the next. That's Swan, swimming, rocking, grasshopper. I'll show you the transition to each exercise in the video that I'm doing. So we'll show the transition from Swan into swimming in this one. And then in the rocking video, you'll see from swimming to rocking. But I'll explain the setup just like I did on the OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrels flashcard deck. You'll see that in the setups, I do explain how to set up just as if you're doing only that exercise. But if you look in the transitions, I explain the transition because in an ideal world, you're not taking breaks in between each one. You are transitioning. So if you don't have the OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrels deck yet, get the barrels deck. It's so fun. It's got the small barrel, the spine corrector, the ladder barrel, and the C shaper. All right. And then you can also see our other flashcard decks that we have. All right. So how you would set up for swimming is kind of funny. If you were just doing swimming, you would just set up for it like you were doing Swan, because you set up for Swan as if you're going to swim and then you reach your arms wide. So you want to play. Most people will start with their belly button around 2 inches in front of the apex. I already know because my legs are a little longer. I kind of play with where I'm going to be. I spin my inner thighs up and lift my legs, and I reach my tailbone down. Then I reach my arms forward. So if I was doing Swan, I would have my arms out here. I'd finish my last Swan, and then I already know I'm set up for my swimming because that's how I set up for my Swan. And then I swim up, 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 up. And then I would transition to rocking. If you notice you're starting to nosedive, you probably are either not set up in the right place, or you're looking down, or your neck is not part of the extension. It's all like the arms are connected to the back, and because the arms are working their way up, they're picking the chest up. But if your arms are disconnected, your chest is going to get top heavy. You're just going to slide forward. Can you use a pad here? Ish. If you feel like you're hit, like I used to feel like this nerve in my pubic bone, I would use a little sticky pad just to kind of give myself another padding. Eventually that went away when I stopped putting pressure in that area and actually got more length in my spine. So the sticky pad is cheating-ish a little bit, a little bit, right? So give this a try and then check out how to transition from swimming to rocking in our next video. If you have questions about this, feel free to comments below. I go live on Sundays answering your questions. If you are an OnlinePilatesClasses.com member, you can actually ask us questions in the members only community. Even though we don't have spine corrector classes, you can and should use your spine corrector before or after a mat or a former class to give your body a warm up or feedback that it needs. It's such a great, amazing tool. If you want to check out OnlinePilatesClasses.com, go to OnlinePilatesClasses.com/YouTube. Thank you so much and have an amazing day.